This is Farabi and Mr. Musa and me. We are teammate and we have a big digital marketing agency and we do YouTube SEO and promotions related work. So at first, I want to introduce our agency to you, sir. Can I share my screen?
Sure.
Thank you so much. sdfreelancer.com. On this website, you will find all of our contact details and all about us. And if you scroll down, then you can see my picture is attached here, and I am founder and CEO of this institute. And we have a lot of previous work history. If you go to our client meeting sections, then you will find there are a lot of previous work history we have performed. And if you go next pages, then you will find more and more previous work history. As you see, this guy is from USA. He hired us for $500 work. This guy is from China. This guy is from USA, this guy is from USA, this guy is from France, this guy is from Czech Republic, and maximum of our buyer from USA. And if you go to our team sections, then you'll find there are a lot of previous team member working with us. They all are expert. They working with us, and they also work on Fiverr and Upwork. And till now, we have 400 skilled freelancer working with us. They work also Fiverr and Upwork, and we have a YouTube channel. This is our YouTube channel, 236K subscriber and uploaded 201 videos. And if you go to our videos popular sections, then you can see 1.8 million views, 1 million views, 6,43K views, 5,98K views, 5,08K views, and many more. And all of the views we have gained organically with the YouTube SEO. So recently, our team member, Mr. Musa, has audited your YouTube channel and found some on-page SEO problem. And if you can fix that problem, then your channel possible to grow, sir. So if you're interested, then we'll go ahead.
Okay, let's see.
Okay, sir. So basically, we found some on-page SEO problem on your channel. Your video title are not optimized SEO friendly. You are not using high volume rank tags to your videos, and your video SEO score are not up to the mark. So we will fix your problem, and when we fix the problem, then your video will go on top. When someone search related to your video, then your video will get more organic views and subscribers. So for YouTube SEO, we have two packages. One is starter and another is standard. In our starter package, we will optimize your 10 video and it costs $120 and it costs 7 days to deliver the work. And another package is monthly package. I mean standard package. In our standard package, we will optimize your 30 video and it costs $300 and it takes 30 days to deliver the work. Our payment system is when you hire us, you have to pay 50% advance and rest of the 50% after completing the work. And we have two methods to start the work. One is you can give your channel access to us as a editor or editor limited. Then we can optimize each of the things from our side. But if you do not want to give your channel access, you just send your 10 or 30 video links to us. Then we'll optimize from our side and make a report sheet, and then we'll hand over to you. You just copy and paste by yourself. And for getting payment, Remitly, Western Union, and Payoneer. So that is all about our prices and packages.
Okay. All right. So where you from? Where are you? Where you based?
We are from Bangladesh.
Okay, great. And when you talk dollars, is what's we're talking Singapore dollars?
US dollars.
Oh, US dollars. Okay. All right. Um, and what can you do? Let's say, I mean, can you give me? Are you able to give me a trial on what you do? I mean, like I said, we've not worked before together. Can you give me a couple of videos samples to see, what you do, and then from see, I like to see your work and the results.
Okay, no problem. You can give us two videos as a sample. We will
Yeah.
do for you. And if you are satisfied, then you can hire us for the packages. No problem.
Yeah. Let's do a couple of videos. Let me see what the reaction. My view is that I want to attract clients. I want to attract either a buyer or the tenant to call me and say, yes, I like the video. I want to view the property. This is what I'm looking for. You know what I mean?
Okay.
This is to see 1 million views and don't get any response. That's not what I'm looking for. You know what I mean?
I see. I see.
I'm not a content creator. I don't want people to follow me. I want to be able to sell my listing, or get a tenant. That's what I'm looking for. So if you know what I mean.
Yeah, I
Um,
see.
so this is something that I'm looking for. People see the video on YouTube or whatever, click like, okay, contact Michael. I like the video. I like this. I like to come and view it. That's what I want.
Okay, okay.
This is
So you will get your targeted calls from your audience, no problem, and your targeted audience, targeted location based call, no problem. So at first you give two of your video as a test basis, and we do it as a free of cost. And if you satisfied, then you can go for the high packages. So you, after finishing the meeting, you just send your two video links to our team member, then he will optimize, and after completing, then he will hand over to you. You just implement to your videos by yourself, and you wait for the 1 or 2 weeks to get the results. And if you are satisfied, then you can communicate with our team member, then he will work for you as a package base, no problem.
Okay, I can give you the videos. How are you going to load them in YouTube? How are you going to work on this?
Okay, if you want, you can give us your channel editor access. So if you give us access, then we can optimize everything from our side. But if you do not want to give your channel access, you just send video links to us, then we will optimize from our side, and we will make a report sheet, then hand over to you, then you just copy and paste by yourself to your videos.
In what, in Facebook or is in YouTube?
YouTube.
YouTube. So you only work with YouTube, is it?
Yeah.
Okay, so to optimize is only YouTube. So if I give you access to my YouTube, you can actually work on it, is it? And you
Yeah.
can click the proper buttons and everything else. Is that's one way of doing it?
Yeah.
If not, then the video you give it to me and then I put it in YouTube.
Yeah.
But how do I know what to click and what to not to click and what to input? That's what I like to know.
Our team member will guide you if you don't know, no problem.
Okay, fine. Okay, right.
Okay. So thanks for your time, and hope to work with you for a long time.
Okay,
And
let me send you a couple of videos. Might not be tonight, but tomorrow I'll send them to the WhatsApp. Is that okay?
yeah.
I'll just send them to the WhatsApp. Okay, great.
Okay.
I'll send them to the WhatsApp, and then is it MD Musha? Is it that who's going to be working on that?
Mr. Musa.
Musta Musa. Okay, he'll be the guy that will be working on my videos.
Yeah. We are teammate. He will be your contact person.
All right, great. Thanks very much. All right,
Okay.
I'll do that, and then and we'll take it from there. Well, thanks for your time. All right.
Okay. Thanks also
Can you
your
ask
time.
Musa to send me
Thank.
the link of your website? I'd like to have a look at your website
Okay. No problem. After finishing the meeting, Musa will send everything.
and any additional information that you
Yeah.
can send me.
Okay.
Wonderful. Thanks very much for your time. Thank you.
Okay.
Bye
Bye
bye.
bye.